Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. This is the Big Country 3155 RLK with big power awning, 6-point auto level system, frameless windows, solid step, and like most Heartland fifth wheels that are the Big Country, Bighorn, and Landmark, built for full-time RVing. Now as we walk around the coach, you're going to notice this is a very similar floor plan to the majority of the business. It's 36 feet in total length. Has a big pantry, lots of cabinet space for any pots, pans, dishes. It also has good prep counter space area, a little bit of counter space right next to the pantry, next to the stove, and of course you have the island with your sink. By the way, if you enjoy the way I do these videos by opening up all the cabinets, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments section. There are a lot of outlet plugs as well throughout the kitchen area. So for your blenders, your electric toasters, things of that nature. Now you get a residential sized microwave, stove, and oven. So the stove is actually a 4-burner stove and a residential sized RV oven. The refrigerator is a dual door propane electric refrigerator, which is perfect. So if power goes out at the campground, it's still running on your propane tanks. Good storage for your DVDs, video games around the television entertainment center. Big flat screen TV, sound system, fireplace. And then the cool part is that on every single part of, the cool part is above the couch and above the theater seating, which you'll see a little bit later, like right now, there are cabinets and storage for your other things like your linen. So let's say you have a guest and you saw the fold out couch into a bed, you have area to put spare sheets and blankets and pillows. It's a freestanding dinette. So realistically, this only sleeps 4 people. This is a common bathroom, except for they put a bigger linen closet in than they do in other floor plans. So that's the difference between this one and others. So instead of the big shower, they give you more storage in the corner shower. But to see, having the corner shower like this actually gives you more space when you're sitting on the toilet. So it's a give and take. I'd rather have the space around the toilet just so I don't feel as claustrophobic. Because realistically, you're only going to shower one person at a time in the shower. So having the corner like that isn't a bad thing. You get a walk around king bed, and then you have your choice of washer, dryer, prep, or you can turn that space into a closet. And then dual closet doors for your hangables, your shoes. You also can charge like a portable vacuum if you decide to purchase one of those, and then your dresser drawers. And by the way, in the top right hand corner of this video, you're going to see another amazing full-time fifth wheel walkthrough.